All right. Doing a ignition repair on a 2016 Honda Accord. This one has the relocker. So I have the relocker tool. You need to stick it in this bottom right corner if you're looking face on at it. And I'll show you what you need to do. I have the tool. You can rig something up like this. Go in that bottom right corner. Stick it in until it stops. Tilt it up. Peel it back a little bit and you'll feel the relocker fall down. You need to push on that so it goes against the back wall and then push it back down. Push in, lift up to the top corner, back about a quarter-eighth of an inch, and you'll feel it come down. And it's got a little burr on the top so it digs into it. Once you feel it come down, you push and then set it back down and then you're good to go. There it is. I don't know if I got it. I'll try it again. There it is. And then what I do with these to make it so I don't lose it again when I put it back on, or when I put the ignition in, I turn the ignition on, and that way it's not going to lock as long as you get the ignition back in, because I've had it, especially when I was starting out, take me 10-15 minutes to get the damn thing reset, put it back in, wiggle it, it comes back out before I turn the key. Once you've turned the key, you're good to go. So once you feel that get back down, keep a screwdriver on you to keep testing. It's going to take some practice. I've gotten pretty good at it. But keep a screwdriver, turn it to on. Once you do get it set, don't turn it back off, and then you can just slide your ignition in and you're good to go. We'll do that. That is on. That is on. And we're good to go. And that is how you do the Honda relocker tool.